boys and girls. I am Ms. Moran and welcome back to your math lesson. Remember, today we are continuing reviewing with patterns. We're going to be reviewing the AB pattern again. Remember, with the AB pattern, we use two different things, two different colors, two different animals, two different shapes. It doesn't matter what, but it's going to be only two of them and it's going to be different. They're going to be different. And then we're going to have an order or a rule. Okay, so here's our rule. Red will go first and blue will go second. And that's the rule. We have to follow that to finish our pattern. Okay, so remember that. Red, blue, then red, blue, then red, blue, and so on. If we were doing shapes, say we were doing a circle and a triangle, that's going to be our pattern. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. That's the order it's going to go all the time. All right. So let's do a couple activities before we talk about your homework. Let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, so today we're going to practice doing AB patterns. We're going to be using these little bears. And for the first pattern, we're gonna do it up here this way, okay? So this is our rule for our first AB pattern. So first we're going to use an orange bear, orange, and then yellow bear. That's our rule. First the orange, then the yellow. So orange, yellow, what's next? Orange. Orange, yellow, orange, yellow. Correct. And that's the way we're going to continue. Orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. Okay? Orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. What's next? It's going to be yellow. Good job. So we finished that AB pattern. Our next AB pattern, it's two different colors, is the pink and the red bear. And that's our rule. First the pink, then the red. So we have pink, red. What's next? Pink. Pink, red, pink, red. Pink, red, pink, red, pink. Pink, red, pink, red, pink, red. What's next? Pink. What's next? Red. What's next? Pink. Good job. So we have pink, red, pink, red, pink, red, pink, red, pink. What's next? Red. Good job. So you did a good job with that review. So now let's go over your homework. Okay, boys and girls, this is going to be our homework for today. Again, we're going to have 4 slides. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 Google Slides that we have to do for today. We are working with the AB pattern, and here you will find your rule. And then here, you're going to have to try to guess or predict, make a prediction of what's going to come next. It's going to be one of these 4. So you're going to move that circle to the one you think is going to come next, okay? So let's work on this first one, and then you can do the rest by yourself. So for this AB pattern, we have a snowflake and a cabin, a snowflake and a cabin, a snowflake and a cabin, then a snowflake, and then, what comes next? So these are our options. So we can move this oval circle. Let's see. Will the sweater be next? Well, looking at our rule, we don't have a sweater. So it's pretty silly if we choose a sweater, right? It's not the sweater. Over here, we have some, like an ice wall. Do you see any ice? Or up over here, a wall made of ice? Nope, so it can't be that one. But we do have a snowflake and we do have a cabin. So it's going to be one of these 2. We put it here in the middle. I'm not sure which one it is yet. So I'm going to try to say it at the end. Say this one and then this one and see which one makes more sense. Okay? So let's go. Snowflake, cabin, snowflake, cabin, snowflake, cabin, snowflake, snowflake. Hmm. That doesn't make sense to me, right? Because then I'm going to have two snowflakes together. So no. Let's look at this one now. Snowflake cabin, snowflake cabin, snowflake cabin, snowflake cabin. So it's going to be the cabin or the little house. I'm going to put my circle right there because that's my answer. Okay? So when you're doing your homework, try to do that. Try to say what you see, like sweater, ice cream cone, sweater, ice cream cone, ice cream cone, and then look at your choices and see, does that make sense or not? So look at them closely. Don't try to guess. Okay, so try that. And so now that I talked about your homework, let's talk about why patterns are important. So remember, patterns are important because they are all over in our life. We can find them everywhere. Sorry, that's my little cat. He wants my attention. So patterns, you can find them everywhere. All right, you can find them in your house, at the store, in the schools. And now that you know about patterns, you might be able to say, hey, mom, that's a pattern. Okay, so it's good for you to be able to identify patterns. And patterns are also important because it helps you make a prediction. So prediction is like give a guess, a good guess of what you think is going to happen next. So that's why patterns are very important. All right. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I will see you here tomorrow. Bye bye.